Hey guys, so today it's a beautiful day here in New York City, my first stop of the trip. Today I want to talk about what's in my travel bag. So for this year-long trip, I'm taking 2 bags. One is my larger carry-on. It's a 40-liter Nomatic Travel Bag. And my personal item is a backpack. It's a 20-liter Nomatic Travel Pack that can expand up to a 30-liter backpack. So in my larger 40-liter backpack, I have all of my clothes and my workout stuff. The stuff that's taking up space, weighing me down, but I absolutely need to bring. So I basically packed everything into packing cubes to make this a lot easier to take stuff in and out of and put things back in and carry it around. In my smaller backpack, the 20-liter bag, I have basically all of the essential gear that I will need on a day-to-day basis to do work. And that's basically it. If there's anything I left out, it's probably because I didn't think I would need it this year, or I think I could probably pick it up pretty easily along the way. So I think what I brought should be enough, but I'll keep you guys posted on that.